How to close all Chrome tabs at once on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly clear all your open tabs in Chrome in just a few seconds. First, open Chrome on your Android device. After that, tap on the tabs icon at the top right corner. This shows the number of tabs you currently have open. From there, you will see all your open tabs displayed on screen. Instead of closing them one by one, we are going to close them all at once. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the tab screen. In the next step, tap on Close All Tabs from the options that appear. Following this, a confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure. Tap Close All to confirm. Once done, all your open tabs will be cleared instantly and Chrome will go back to a fresh, empty state. Finally, if you accidentally close the tab you still needed, tap on the three dots again and select Recent Tabs to find and reopen it. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you close all your Chrome tabs at once, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.